Achieving a Band 9 in IELTS writing is extremely challenging, but it's possible with focused preparation. Here's a breakdown of what you need to know. Task, response, or achievement. This is 25% of your score. It assesses how well you address all parts of the question. Present a clear position and develop your ideas with relevant support. Coherence and cohesion. This is also 25% of your score. It focuses on the logical organization of your ideas and how well you connect them with cohesive devices, referencing and flow. Lexical Resource. This is another 25% of your score. It evaluates your range and accuracy of vocabulary. You need a wide range of vocabulary, including some less common words and phrases, as well as perfect spelling and grammar. Grammatical Range and Accuracy. The final 25% of your score. It examines your ability to use a variety of grammatical structures with accuracy and flexibility. To achieve a Band 9, practice consistently, analyze sample answers, get feedback and learn from it. Read widely, build your vocabulary, and review grammar rules. Stay calm and focused on test day. Good luck.